What I would like to do now is to just talk a little bit about the assignments and how to submit the assignments within Moodle. So I'm here on the overview page, the main page for the course, and you've got your little navigation box on the left-hand side there, and you'll see the block there just under the general block, which is assignments. So if you want to find out a bit more about assignment 1, you can click on assignment 1 there, and it opens up into the assignment brief for assignment 1. And then underneath the brief, you will see some guidance notes for the course as well. And then the block underneath that, the submission status here, you will see something there called grading criteria. That is otherwise known as the marking guide. And that works hand in hand with the indicative content that you will find in the course handbook. So if I first of all just talk about the indicative content and explain what that is, I'm just going to open up the course handbook, and that opens up there into a PDF file, and it said there on pages 10, 11 and 12, so I've followed through. I'm on page 10, as you can see up there, and you start to see the indicative content for assignment 1 there. So the first bank of indicative content is explain the importance of preparation in effectively involving volunteers. And then under there you will see some bullet points, and those bullet points are giving you an idea of the sort of content that you should be talking about within your answer to that first part. So you've got 6 bullet points there. I would say that all of these topics are very, very large topics, and as we've already seen, people can write virtually whole books on one of these topics, and so we need to put in place some means of giving you an idea of how much you are to actually write. So we need to find some means to enable you to know how much you're to actually write for your particular assignment, this one, assignment 1. And that is done by the marking criteria that we have just looked at. So I'm going to close down this PDF. I'm going back to assignment 1. You can see it says assignment 1 up there, assignment 1. And we've been looking at the indicative content in the course handbook. This is the second thing that you need to look at, which is the grading criteria. And there you will find under explain the importance of preparation in effectively involving volunteers, it says give at least 3 reasons why preparation is important. So you will find some of the content and reasons in the course handbook in the indicative content, and it's saying here that you need to talk about at least 3 of those. So it's giving you an idea that if you do 3, that is enough, sufficient for the level of this course that you are undertaking. So what you need to do is to put the indicative content parallel to the grading criteria, because the grading criteria helps you to keep things simple. As I said, these are very big topics, and you could write about lots of different facets and reasons. So there you've got your instructions about assignment 1. The next thing